Moving forward in other local news, the addition of superfood on Sasaki makes a trip to the grocery store much more convenient for tourists and timeshare owners who are staying in La Cabana and Tropicana. Just one highway separates them from a quick trip to the store, but it seems as though everyone is looking for the fastest way to get there and not the safest. All day long, there is a continuous flow of tourists walking to and from Superfood on Sasaki. Here you see an elderly couple carrying bags of groceries slowly crossing over Sasaki, while cars are driving 80 kilometers an hour. This is a major concern.
The issue is that they're hopping the fences and they're not making their way to the designated crosswalks, and they're cutting across the busy highway. Typically they're going during the busiest times of the day, rush hour traffic, when people are heading to or from work. So we're just concerned that somebody's going to get hurt crossing the street and there might be an accident.
We obviously have safety concerns, not only for our owners and guests, but also for our associates that also use that intersection to obviously go east towards their apartments, their homes. And so we want to just bring that to the attention of the authorities that are responsible to add signage or control that traffic situation.
Be sure to tune in on Monday night where we have the full story on this. We discuss with the general managers of both properties what are the possible solutions to this dangerous situation. Both the general managers say Superfood has been a great addition to the neighborhood, but something has to be done before an accident happens. 15 on 15 and Noticia Unochi will both have the full story on Monday night. And on that note, we will be right back. Stay with us.